Ne en mor e skund nyiri ma Ogande Girls mayudore e kaunti ma HomaBay bang' ka skunduno ne oyudo mini grade mar A+ kuom thuolo mokwongo. Anet Awuor ema ne omiyo skunduno mini grade mar A+ mokwongo e historia margi bang' yudo points 86 e penj maduong' mar KCSE mane ogol duoko mar odiechieng' manyoro kod jatend migawo mar somo ngire George Magoha. Jopuonjrego ne opuoyo mokalo principal margi Mikayi Jennifer Otolo kuom duoko maber mane giyudo e penjno mar KCSE.
We are more than happy. In our family, we are more than excited. Yes, we know she could make it, but due to the challenges that she has gone through, we were expecting, but due to the challenges, we are kind of not really sure if she could reach there. But we thank God. We thank God, and we thank the school administration so much. Yeah.
Your name?
My name is
Yes, we are really proud of Annette. We thank God for her. She's been a very humble girl, God-fearing girl, very calm, focused, disciplined, and very pleasant. So actually, when she got that, we really knew that she was going to give us that grade, and we always kept on telling her we want that A, and for sure she has given us. We thank God for her.